Every car guy has that first spark. For some, it was late nights with Need for Speed Underground. For others, it was Jeff Gordon taking victory lane. For me, it's always been this 442. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First off, I'd like to say thank you guys so much for finally hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark on the channel. It's amazing. I am truly blessed, and I thank every single one of you. Right here, this is my great-grandpa's 1968 Oldsmobile 442 that he bought in 1969. It's been in the family ever since, but it's been sitting almost in this condition for almost 40 years. And now, it's our turn to turn a couple bolts and put this thing back on the road. So let's get started. Obviously, just like almost with anything in life, it's going to put a lot of effort in and a lot of time, but this car honestly deserves the tribute that it deserves. We're going to fix this thing up, we're going to fix it, put interior, paint, body, work on the engine some more, and we're going to get this thing back on the road for the first time in almost 40 years. And just like that, I think my dad is pulling up now. All right, now we're gonna introduce the man of the hour, my dad. He has put in tons of hours, so he knows a lot more than I do about this car, because he's putting in definitely more hours and has a lot more knowledge on what's been done, so take it away.
Okay, what we have is a 68 Oldsmobile 442. It was my grandfather's car. He died in 1981. The car sat for quite a few years. I got the car back. I don't know, I can't remember the year, but trying to get her back on the road. There's been a lot of stuff going along the way. One step forward, two steps back. Anybody who builds this kind of stuff knows how that works out. But what I've done so far is we've gotten new quarters put on both sides. That was done several years ago. We've done some metal patchwork on the floors, which is not quite done yet either. When I got the car, it didn't have a windshield in it, and it sat in the garage, and the garage door was broke, and water and crap got up in there. This whole channel was gone. It was just rusted out. The lip up here was all rusted out. So we had to the upper part, we actually fabricated. There's no piece to buy unless you wanted to buy a whole section of it. So me and another buddy of mine he's a good welder, I'm not. We fabbed up that, got it all welded in. The dash pan, had to get a new dash pan. I was able to order that. So we got that all welded in. Put a new dash pad in also. And then the car sat around again for, I don't know, another 5 years before the windshield went in. And that was a worrisome day. All that work, and then didn't know if the windshield fit. But the windshield fit. I had to put in the new post for the trim. Got one bad spot. It's not a big deal. This car's not going to be, not going to an auction or anything. It's just going to be a fun driver daily. It'll be ugly for a while, miscolored, mismatched, but we don't care. We're going to be able to do a bunch of burnouts because of what I did here. Me and my cousin Jim, we took the 455, and just in case you're wondering, I still have the original 400 big block for it, but that wasn't enough power. So I found a 455, and it was bored 60 over, and it's got American Eagle crank, rods, pistons. It's got a 850 double pump, Holly carburetor on it, Excel distributor stuff, a Bernard Mondello aluminum cylinders, Hedman headers running through 3-inch stainless exhaust all the way out the back. Thing sounds pretty sick. You'll hear that in the next couple of videos. Typical Edelbrock intake manifold on it, 4-core radiator. What else? Got some goodies. It's got a roller cam. So I spent quite a lot of money just on this part of it, man, it's a lot of money. But I've had it running, but I haven't had it running in about a year now. So we're going through brakes right now, trying to get brakes done. We're just trying to get it up where we could drive it in and out of the garage under its own power, stopping and starting. And the fenders are obviously off. Those are at another buddy of mine's house. We're getting weld patches put in. What else do we got?
We got a Hearst shifter.
Yeah, I'm installing in a Hearst shifter, floor shifter on it. I've got it in the car, but it's not bolted down in yet. There's just a few things to do underneath yet to kind of get it all lined in and where I needed to get it to go. The inside doesn't look very good, but within time, like I said, we're trying to get it on the road at least. It ain't gonna look pretty, but it's gonna be a tire burner, and that's what we want. What else? Let's see. I traded an old steering wheel for some Craigger rims that are mismatched. The ones in the back are ETs, the ones in the front are Craigers, but like I said, we don't care. Tires are good.
You just got done replacing the locks.
Yeah, I had to couldn't find the key. Well, the key broke. I put new locks in it. The door's open. They're still solid. You know, shuts good. Nice and tight. Quite a bit of work to go. After all these years, right now, it looks like it'll never go anywhere, but it's gone. The work that we've done, it's 1,000 miles from where it was. We have all the parts to put it back together, the bumpers. Once fenders get patched up, they'll go back on. I do have a set of disc brakes put on the front. I did get a kit for that. Got to just dump those drums. Those suck because of the power that it's got. About anywhere from about 600 to 650 horse, 600 foot-pound torque. So it'll be a nice little nasty machine. It'll be fun to drive. Eventually it's going to have a posi. It's a one-wheel peel right now, and that's not really fun to have. So, but I'm sure I'll be twisting up some drive shafts and doing that, putting gears in it sooner or later. And there's really not much to see on this side other than what you see over there. Just new quarter panel. Oh yeah, with the quarter panel, brand new on both sides, and the wheel wells are all brand new, and the sail panels are brand new too. Trunk solid. The whole under the car is really, really solid. What really sucked about this project is obviously the metal and the rust. My grandpa had to drive it in the wintertime. My grandma was too cheap. She said, if you have to have that car, you're driving it in the wintertime. So when he bought it in '69, it was always driven in the snow till '81, and then it sat for, well, I think it was driven for about a year after that. My aunt and uncle got it, and then it was kind of tore apart, and now it sat. So probably from anywhere to '82, '83, the car's been sitting around just hanging out. But it's a fun project in a way. It's tedious work. Like I said, one step forward, two steps back.
But yeah.
So for right now, that's about what we got. Check out the 3-inch. It's got a Howard's cam in it, so it's nice and lumpy.
Yeah, it
sounds really good.
Sounds like a late model.
It sounds like a NASCAR, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I don't know. Have you ever posted the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today, I think what we're gonna do is I've got a new master cylinder. We'll take the master cylinder out. We'll take the wheels off, undo the brake lines, blow the lines out, bench bleed the master cylinder, and get that in. And then I did break a line back there, so I have to repair that. And then yes, to start doing that, and hopefully we'll get her to bleed up, and then adjust our brakes, so then we know we're gonna stop. And after that, I put a new Chaz and my daughter Taylor, they bought me a mini high torque starter. I've already got the starter in it, but I don't know if it needs to be shimmed yet, so we'll be doing that shortly too. Obviously not today, but next round of work, we'll be doing that.
Just keep chipping away.
Yep, and then when we get the starter, make sure the starter's not going to be jammed up. We're going to fire it up.
Yep. And we're just
Make
gonna
sure we got oils in it and make sure everything's good to go,
just keep chipping away.
and we will start it.
Yep. So that's gonna do it for this. Obviously in the next video, we're gonna do the master cylinder, but I just wanted to show you guys the new project we're gonna introduce to the channel and just a little bit of the story and the family ties it has to us. So obviously it's gonna be a really big build and it's gonna mean a lot to people, a lot of people in our family, and especially for me and my dad. So we really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys follow along with the build, and just like that, we'll see you on the next time. Peace.
Later.